We've got some fresh images of 3I Atlas, a third ever interstellar object observed from Earth, currently racing through our solar system now. Astronomers have captured that moment live.
A cosmic nightmare, once the realm of science fiction, is now our reality. 4 distant telescopes, working in perfect unison, delivered the most shocking news humanity has ever faced. Interstellar object. 3I/Atlas is on a direct collision course with Earth.
Comet is on an extremely unusual path, moving too fast to be bound by the sun's gravity, breaking a typically seen orbital trajectory.
The Space Security Force, the SSF, suddenly became the planet's last line of defense. Then came NASA's chilling declaration, Code Black, reserved for the gravest threats imaginable. This classification meant Earth was facing nothing less than an existential crisis. 4 watchers in the sky. The red alerts came not from one, but 4 independent observatories scattered across the globe. The Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii first flagged the anomaly. Soon after, the Catalina Sky Survey in Arizona, the Subaru telescope atop Mauna Kea, and finally, the Hubble Space Telescope confirmed the same horrifying trajectory. Their combined data left no doubt 3I/Atlas was not passing harmlessly. Through it was coming straight for us. The chances of 4 separate systems producing the same error were less than 1 in a trillion. The confirmation electrified the SSF, a specialized international agency built for a day like this. Once considered a theoretical precaution, their mission was now terrifyingly real. The SSF's fortified underground headquarters erupted into action. Data from satellites and ground arrays was funneled into the command center. The threat, a 6-mile-wide comet, roughly the size of Mount Everest on its side, hurtling at over 100,000 miles per hour. An object, even a fraction that size, could destroy a city. This one could reshape the entire planet. As an interstellar comet, 3I/Atlas wasn't from our solar system. Its composition and velocity were alien, presenting challenges no planetary defense plan had ever faced. Most strategies were designed for predictable asteroids, not fast, volatile visitors from beyond the stars. Hubble's observations sharpened the faint smudge into an image, an irregular icy body with a glowing tail, a ghostly traveler from deep space. At its speed, diverting it so close to Earth required unimaginable energy. Its impact energy would equal billions of the most powerful nuclear weapons ever tested. Humanity was now staring down catastrophe. This is why NASA triggered Code Black. More than just an alert, it bypassed bureaucracy, mobilizing every brilliant mind and technological resource to focus on one objective: survival. Most of the world had no idea what was unfolding. Beyond the veil of silence, Code Black was not just a warning. It was the ignition of Operation Black, a mission of unprecedented secrecy and scale. Under its banner, political rivalries dissolved as space agencies, militaries, and scientific institutions united. It was not about prestige or power. It was about survival. The first step was mobilizing hidden reserves. Giant radar arrays, usually tracking debris and missiles, were recalibrated to follow 3I/Atlas. Satellites shifted into a global observation net. Data revealed the comet was not solid, but a shifting mix of ice, dust, and volatile compounds, making predictions even harder. Unlike asteroids, comets change course due to outgassing, throwing off calculations. The SSF's command center became the nerve hub. Massive screens simulated impact zones, with probabilities pointing toward the Pacific Ocean. Even a water strike could unleash tsunamis hundreds of feet high. devastating coasts thousands of miles away. Code Black also unlocked long-shelved research. Kinetic impactors, essentially giant bullets to nudge the comet, were modeled. More radical ideas, energy bursts, even experimental tech were debated. But changing the path of a 6-mile-wide object, moving at 100,000 miles per hour with only months of warning, was nearly impossible. Early detection had always been humanity's best hope. But as an interstellar object, 3 I/Atlas arrived from an unexpected direction, shortening the detection window drastically. It was a rogue traveler from the true dark of space, impossible to anticipate. Desperate options were explored. Could probes detonate close to the comet to measure and possibly alter its structure? Could multiple small strikes shift its course by even a fraction of a degree? Each question reflected the sheer urgency and dread. Yet one question haunted the command center. If 3 I/Atlas came from beyond the stars, what else might it be carrying? The hidden truth of Comet 3. I/Atlas. 3 I/Atlas wasn't just a comet, it was a cosmic anomaly. Unlike local comets from the Oort cloud, this was a true interstellar wanderer. Only 2 others had been confirmed before: Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet 2, I/Borisov in 2019. But unlike those fleeting visitors, Borisov behaved more like a normal comet but confirmed extrasolar origins. 3 I/Atlas combined their mysteries with one terrifying certainty. It was coming straight for Earth. Its 6-mile size dwarfed previous visitors. Spectroscopy suggested a dense core wrapped in exotic ice and dust, possibly containing molecules unseen in our solar system. Impact would not just cause devastation, but could release unknown materials into Earth's atmosphere and oceans with unpredictable effects. Imagine the air filled with alien particles, oceans chemically altered. Its trajectory suggested it had drifted for millions of years across interstellar space, a frozen nomad suddenly locked on Earth. Tracking it was like trying to hit a supersonic bullet with another bullet. Spectral analysis revealed hydrocarbons and possibly complex organic molecules. 3 I/Atlas might have carried the building blocks of life itself, a frozen time capsule from another star system. Yet its arrival promised destruction, not discovery. Even its path seemed suspiciously improbable. For such an object not only to enter our solar system, but intersect Earth's orbit directly was astronomically unlikely. Some in hushed tones wondered if it was random chance or something else entirely. The silence from officials in those first crucial hours was deafening. Public statements mentioned heightened observation, but the truth was hidden behind Code Black. Because Code Black is not just about action, it is about controlling information. Imagine the panic if billions knew a 6-mile comet was certain to hit Earth. And so, as 3 I/Atlas hurtled closer, humanity faced 2 terrifying realities: the physical impact of a world-ending comet and the chilling silence of those sworn to protect us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Epoch Dive for more amazing documentaries.